Hello everyone, I'm Faral Imran and today I'll be telling you about a new model which is introduced by openai. So openai introduced GPT-4o mini. Before they introduced GPT-4o mini, they introduced GPT-4o which have already covered in another video. So you can go have a look if you want to know about GPT-4o. But in this video, I'll be telling you about GPT-4o mini, what is it and what it'll be doing. So I'll be telling you all about it. So stay tuned until the end so that you don't miss any information regarding it. So let's get started. So here on July 18, 2024, OpenAI released GPT-4o Mini and it's advancing cost-efficient intelligence means this model is small and cost efficient also. So scrolling down here, so they made a model which is cost efficient and they said that the GPT-4o mini scores 82% on MMLU and currently it outperforms GPT-4 on chat preferences in LMSYS leaderboard. So, and the price of it is 15 cents per million input tokens and 60 cents per million output tokens, and it's an order of magnitude more affordable than previous frontier models and more than 60% cheaper than GPT 3.5 Turbo. So this model is cost efficient means it is cheaper than GPT 3.5 Turbo, and here it also enables a broad range of tasks with its low cost and latency, such as applications that parallelize multiple model calls, for example, like calling multiple APIs, pass a large volume of context to the model, like the full code base or conversation history, or also interact with customers through fast real time text responses like customer support chatbots. So, GPT-4o Mini supports text and vision in the API. It has like the support for text, image, video, and audio inputs and outputs coming in the future. So the model has a context window of 128K tokens, means 128,000 tokens. It supports up to 16K output tokens per request, means 16,000 output tokens per request, and it has knowledge up to October 2023, means till October 2023 it has the knowledge. And thanks to the improved tokenizer which is shared with GPT-4o, handling non-English text is now even more cost effective, means the text can also be non-English. So that also GPT-4o mini can support. And here it says that this model is having a superior textual intelligence and multimodal reasoning, means it's multimodal reasoning, means here it says that it surpasses GPT 3.5 Turbo and other small models on academic benchmarks across both textual intelligence and multimodal reasoning, and it also supports the same range of languages as GPT-4o. Means that in GPT-4o, what languages GPT-4o supports, so those same languages GPT-4o mini supports, and it also demonstrates strong performance in function calling, which can enable developers to build applications that like fetch data or take actions with external systems and improve long text performance compared to GPT 3.5 Turbo. So here you can say that GPT-4o Mini has been evaluated across several key benchmarks, means across several benchmarks it has been evaluated, like such as reasoning tasks it has been evaluated, in which it has scored 82.0% on MMLU, and also as like compared to 77.9% for Gemini Flash and 73.8% for Claude Haiku. And even math and coding proficiency means GPT-4o Mini. It is excellent in mathematical reasoning and coding tasks, means it has outperformed the previous small models on the market, means GPT-4o mini, it scored 87%, sorry, not 85%, 87% it has scored compared to 75.5% for Gemini Flash and 71.7% for Claude Haiku, means it has compared 87%. And GPT-4o mini has also scored 87.2% on human evaluation, means like the which measures the coding performance. So this human eval benchmark, it measures coding performance. So here GPT-4o mini has scored 87.2%, means compared to 71.5% for Gemini Flash and 75.9% for Cloud Haiku. And even multimodal reasoning, GPT-4o Mini also shows strong performance on MMMU. It's a multimodal reasoning means evaluation, scoring 59.4% compared to 56.1% for Gemini Flash and 50.2% for Claude IQ. Means GPT-4o Mini has scored more than the other models, but not more than GPT-4o because it's a mini version of it. So, but it has scored more than Gemini Flash, Claude Haiku, and GPT 3.5 Turbo. So, and it has also built-in safety measures, like their safety is built in the models, means like when they are training the data, so they filter out the information that do not contain hate speech, adult content, or sites that like they want the personal information or the spam. So security is there, so it filter out those information. And even in post training, they align the model's behavior to the policies, like reinforcement learning with human feedback, to improve accuracy and reliability of the model's responses. And they also partnered with companies like RAM and Superhuman, who found GPT-4o Mini to perform significantly better than GPT 3.5 Turbo for tasks such as extracting data from receipt files or generating high quality email responses when provided with thread history. And it has like the same safety mitigations built in as GPT-4o because it's a mini version of it. So most of the things are same as GPT-4o, such as the languages, such as the safety mitigations, and even more than 70 external experts in field like social psychology and misinformation. They tested GPT-4o to identify potential risk and also help improve the safety of both GPT-4o and GPT-4o Mini. So the availability and pricing, I'll tell you that GPT-4o Mini is now available as a text and vision model in the Assistance API, Chat Completions API, and Batch API. And the developers, they pay 15 cents per 1 million input tokens and 60 cents per 1 million output tokens, which is roughly the equivalent of 2,500 pages in a standard book. And they also say that they are rolling out the fine tuning for GPT-4o Mini in the coming days. And in ChatGPT, the free, plus, and team users will be able to access GPT-4o Mini starting today. Means from 18 July, it has been started. Means the free users, the plus users, and the team members can be able to access GPT-4o Mini in place of GPT 3.5. And the expertise and the enterprise users will also have access starting next week, means they are making the mission to make the benefits of AI accessible to all. So so this is all as for the availability and pricing. So that is all from my side. Thank you so much.